Well, hello, guys. I am back for a quick short video. I want to let you guys know there's a lot of stuff now for Craft Day. They have gone live already. So I'm going to attempt again to do another screen share with you guys. I'm using the other computer. I've shut everything down, so hopefully this will react a little bit faster than my work computer does. But I mean, actually, my home laptop. This is my work computer, and I'm gonna throw Zoom on and see how we do. But I wanted to show you what has gone live, but stuff on everybody. So if like for Diamond Press, if you were looking for the auto ship Slimline, it's gone live. On Anna Griffin, a lot of stuff has gone live. Crafter's Companion is the one that's holding out the most. They have had stuff go live, but I don't think any of the stuff that I've got on my list. I mean, let me hang on, I'm gonna turn away. Don't mind me. And look, and yeah, no, nothing on my list has gone live yet. The rats. But I'm going to take you to the screen to show you what is live. I've already picked up some of the stuff. I'm taking the calculated risk. Because especially where Diamond Press has been concerned, I've been burned before not getting the stuff because it sells out. If you know, and I'll hold out. If it drops in price, I know I can contact HSN and they'll adjust the price. If they go to $5 shipping, I'm gonna take the odds. If they do that all, everything for $5 shipping again, we can only hope. My personal take on it, I'm not sure it's gonna happen again, but you never know. But I'm going to then again try to have them get them to adjust the shipping on the stuff that I ordered before. I just don't want to run into the rigmarole of having things sell out on me. It's really unpredictable. So I'm going to go ahead and do my thing. All right, guys. So I just want to let you know that. Give me a second. I'm going to then flip. I'll come back from my computer screen. Okay. Bye. Okay, hey guys, I am back now from my computer screen. This camera is, I think it's grainier than the one on my other computer, and maybe not, who knows? But it looks like right now with Zoom, this computer works faster, but we'll find out in a second when I go to share screen. But I wanted to show you what's going on today so far for HSN, okay? So give me a second. Actually, Maurice, let me do the share screen. There I am, share. And there we are. So we got there faster. Oh yeah, henceforth I will not sin no more. I will always use this computer to do share screens. Okay, guys. But I want to take you back here. I'm starting off with Crafter's Companion. So they have quite a few items already. Not everything, a smidgen of what that's going live. And there's a part of me that says that it's the things that they think may not be as popular or go as fast. I don't know. But at least the things that are live right now are not the things on my list. But I did want to alert you. I wanted to show you guys that there are stuff already on live that's going to be part of Craft Day. I think this top part is pretty much it because I've seen already some of these things. Now, mind you, if you need to pick up, plates and whatnot if you got the Gemini Pro, then yeah, they're all out there. But there's quite a bit. There's things already selling out, but I think this was already an old thing. So I don't, these are also, I believe, new. They're in the booklet. I don't know if new. And I'm going to look at the flowers. One of the things I do want to look at is I need to go into my stash first to check out what I have before I order more of the flower molds. So part of me that thinks I don't have the hydrangea, but I'm not sure. So I've got to look. But I do want to let you know Crafter's Companion things are going live already, okay? So in anticipation of tonight. Otherwise, if you're on the East Coast, it's midnight. So I hope you guys are night owls. For those of us on the West Coast, it's 9 p.m. So I will be there watching. Like I said, I have everything already DVR'd and whatnot for the whole show. But that's only because I'm obsessive. I'd rather have it all recorded than go on a deleting spree than not see it at all, than be all sad. So let me go. I'm going to go end to end because then I'll show you what I have picked up already today. Anna Griffin has also stuff that's gone live. Apparently she has her double-sided tear tape that's gone live. Some of the alphabets, numbers, and punctuation dies are also live. So if you're interested in those, by all means, I don't know. I cannot predict what will and will not sell out. It's kind of like a guessing game. What I tend to see sell out a lot of times is like paper. Like if you're interested in some of their double-sided paper, this is the Iris folding card making kit. Not a big deal on me. Here is the die to make the pop-up basket. So if you have the pop-up the kit, then here it is. I don't know if they have a kit now that I think about it, but anyway, there's a lot of stuff here, you know, the embossing cut folders. I mean, here we have the 36 sheets of fancy flocked cardstock. Some of their her concentric dies. This one, I don't remember. This is one she's already offered. This is a new one. I think this is a different one. She had one last month that I could have kicked myself for not getting. So I'm going to have to revisit, take a good hard look at this one and maybe pick it up. What I have already in my basket, it's already in my bag right now, is one of them is the hot air balloon easel die. I have that already. Let me see, can I make it so you can like? So this is the easel die. I love hot air balloons. So it's amongst my long list of things, quote unquote, that I like. So that's already gone live. So if you're at all interested, I would pick it up sooner rather than later. And I don't know, and I could be wrong. I could be crazy. I would bet by the same token, the Easter egg might be the other one that goes, but I don't know. My crystal ball is generally on the fritz anyway. So what do I know? But mine is in my basket already. As soon as I'm done talking to you guys, I'm probably going to go ahead and order them and then watch and see if they drop down and then go ahead and ask for a price adjustment because they're really good about that. So the two things, if it's a price adjustment, they're really good about doing that. You can just check, you don't even have to call them. You can go on their live chat and they'll hook you up. Now, what I don't know is if everybody's hoping, there's been buzz about whether they're going to go on the $5 for everything shipping day like they did last month. I don't know. If they do, trust me, I'm going to be asking about it. If not, then I'm glad I picked it up because I don't want to be, you know, I do not want to miss out on things. But that's the Easter egg. Those are the two items I already have in my basket to pick up. But a lot of the stuff is right here. Here's the basket pop-up card making kit. So here's the kit. So if you want to make the baskets, you can pick up the kit and the die. I've already picked up the Slimline Concentric. This one I already picked up. I saw it go live a little late morning today. I already picked it up. It's mine, and on its way to me. Now, and I don't see the embossing folders. I cannot imagine that they sold out, but I'll show you in a minute. I'll give you the item numbers in case you are interested in it. So we got the Anna Griffin, and now I'm going to move over to Diamond Press. I've got the, let me look. It's, oh, this one, here it is. Now, interesting, it's got thrown out because it's twice, but the price is already showing. So give me a second.
Oh no, you have anything good to listen to? Yeah. I put two of them. Yeah. You got it.
Oh, okay, there we go. So here I'm sorry, I just had a momentary interruption. Here we go. So here's the Diamond Press, the Slimline Sending Hugs background dies. And I'm going to double check which one I ordered because apparently this one is the single ship. Let's look, because one is the single ship and the other is the auto ship. So I've got to check mine and see. But I'm pretty sure, let's look at it. I have it already also. So let's go here. Yep, I got it with the auto ship. This is the one I clicked on. So I've got it coming. So be careful. If you guys are interested in this and want the auto ship, there are two options. So you have the single ship and the auto ship. I'm always forgetting the auto ship because you can always but you have to be disciplined about this. I'll admit, you've got to be checking, you know, in the flex manager, in the auto ship manager, excuse me, if you're not interested in it, to go ahead and cancel or, you know, at least, you know, say skip and you don't have to get it, but it's on you. So that's the, so I check my auto ships regularly so that I'm on top of what's coming in. If I don't want it, yeah, no. So this is now, so we've jumped to, this is one thing I already ordered. The minute I saw it go live, I got it because the last two times Diamond Press, what I have wanted has sold out before I've been able to get to it. That ain't happening this time. I'd rather sit here and have to go, you know, and say, hey, but this is already the sell price. If it's already gone red, that's already the sell price. So the only, you know, wild card is if they do $5 shipping. So we shall see. Here is the link for the concentric dies. So there's your item number as well. Where is your item number? How come I'm not? Oh, there it is, 749414. So if you want this, go ahead, then this is the item, this is where you're going to look up, but it's already gone live. Earlier, you couldn't see it on the website, but if you had the number, you can find it. Now it's gone like live. It's really live. The other number, now here, this one, if when you looked, I couldn't find it on the main listing, but the embossing folders, the Slimline embossing folders have gone live. So that item number is 749-418. So if you want it, I would go ahead and pick it up. Mind you, it is not red, so it might go cheaper, it might not. With Anna Griffin, you never know. You really don't know what it, Anna Griffin, no matter how you paint it, you gotta love what she has, but you're gonna pay for it. It's, rarely that you get a really, what you would kind of term a true bargain. But I wanted to alert you, if these are items that you're looking for, here they are, go get them. And that's pretty much it. So I've come back to you much more efficiently. So I just wanted to, because I'm going to get this up as fast as I can now. So I'm making it a short video, so it doesn't take me, it's going to go practically up raw with no fancy editing or anything like that. I want you to have this information, so anybody that sees it can go and take advantage of these things, because I'm already on it myself, and I'm not the only one. Okay, there's people who have way bigger viewership than me, who are already posting this information. Beth Kingston, VNA, Luna from VNA Creates, they've got big followings. They're on this. Okay, guys. So if this is anything you're interested in, please, by all means, get on it sooner better than later. And I'll be out there. So I will see you guys. I won't see you guys, but I'll touch base with you guys tomorrow with what, with my, I guess the Monday morning, the quarterbacking or whatnot of craft day, and let you know what I got, because I'm gonna get all my ordering done today. I will not go past tonight. I already know what I want. So I will see you guys later. Again, as always, if you appreciate the fact that I've given you the heads up, and don't tell your husbands I did, then go ahead, give me a thumbs up, toss me a comment. If you want to see more of my, my madness, by all means, subscribe and hit the bell. I will appreciate it. I will be always here sharing more of my madness. And meanwhile, guys, if you're not shopping, go out there, be creative, and scrap the madness with me. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.